All right, I'm back just for giggles. I got to see if this thing's level or not. We just kind of dropped it. So let's see. I don't really want to know, but I guess I should find out. This isn't the right jack for the job, but it's the one I got. Start hitting it if you can. Hit that. Board's gonna crack though. Oh, that's so close. Board. Let's get one underneath that other side over there. I'm gonna go down. Clear? Clear. He's a little slow underneath this one. Well, I think for now it's good enough. We'll have to massage it, get the level, and level it someday. But I think for now it's good. Might have bent my jack over there. Maybe you're exceeding the weight. I'll have to do something else another time.
I like it here. It blocks the whole view of everything on this side that you're going.
That rake back there too. All right, it's level. It's enough. All right, I'm back just for giggles. I got to see if this thing's level or not. We just kind of dropped it. So let's see. I don't really want to know, but I guess I should find out. Let's see. down here and see what it says. Hey, that's pretty damn close, man. That is pretty close. Gotta lift the front up about not much at all. But that's pretty damn level. I might have to call that done. Look at that. That is pretty level, my friend. That is really level. That's not bad at all. I mean, look at that. That thing might actually be level. Let's see what it is on this one here. All right, maybe not so much that way. Got to lift up. Lift this corner up a little bit. That's not bad. I mean, you know, all right, a little bit. That's not crazy bad. That's not crazy bad at all. I mean, considering we just dropped it here, and I mean, look at that. That's pretty damn close. That is pretty close. That is pretty close. Right there. So, I don't know if that's even worth tinkering with it, frankly. I mean, I had an extra telephone pole laying around, so we dropped that. Let's see here. This level's not the best for this, obviously. Well, that's not bad at all there, man. I mean, it's not perfect. I mean, yeah, the right side can go up a little tiny bit, but that's pretty damn close. I mean, the thing weighs 9,000 pounds. I mean, how level can you get it, right? I mean, the thing weighs 9,000 pounds, so, you know, it's not like you're installing kitchen cabinets here or something. This is a 9,000 pound metal box. I think that's level enough for me. I mean, I'll probably pile some rock underneath in case it settles, but probably mud there, huh? Mud season early in January. You don't ignore that, but I mean, that's pretty damn good there, dude. I mean, look at that. That's spot on, baby. You're not gonna get much better than that. That is pretty damn level, as far as I'm concerned. That is pretty damn level. So we're gonna call this one, I think we're gonna call this done. Yeah, that board cracked, but don't worry about that. I'll pile some other stuff underneath those corners. But that's pretty close. I'll bring a bigger level in someday and snap it on there and see what happens. But there you go. All right, later. Thanks for watching. I think we're going to call that done. I mean, that's pretty level. I mean, the thing weighs 9,000 pounds. So if you have any suggestions, let me know, but I think that's good enough. All right, later. Let's see. Let's put this down here and see what it says. Hey, that's pretty damn close, man. That is pretty close. Gotta lift the front up about not much at all. But that's pretty damn level. I might have to call that done. Look at that. That is pretty level, my friend. That is really level.